Russia says 121 Ukrainian drones destroyed overnight across multiple regions. The Russian Defense Ministry announced that air defense systems intercepted and destroyed 121 Ukrainian drones overnight across several regions. The drones were downed in Rostov, Volgograd, Bryansk, Kaluga, Smolensk, Belgorod, Moscow, Voronezh, Leningrad, Novgorod, Ryazan, Tambov, Tver, and Tula. The ministry reported that the attacks targeted multiple areas but were successfully repelled by Russian defenses. Meanwhile, Russian envoy Kirill Dmitriev, head of the Russian Direct Investment Fund, stated that the planned summit between Presidents Vladimir Putin and Donald Trump will take place at a later date. He emphasized that the meeting has been postponed rather than cancelled, noting that it requires thorough diplomatic preparation before being rescheduled. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.